In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit permissions across sheets in Smartsheet. When you're working with multiple collaborators, it's really important to understand exactly who has access to what and at what level. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to review and adjust permissions on a sheet so you can keep your data secure and shared with the right people. First, open the Smartsheet workspace or the specific sheet you want to review. Start by locating the sheet in your workspace list and make sure it's the active item on your screen. Once you're in the sheet, look toward the top area where you typically see sharing options. You'll notice a small checkbox that allows you to select the sheet. Click on that checkbox to make sure the sheet is selected and ready for you to work with. With the sheet selected, move up to the toolbar and click on the Share button. This is your central hub for managing who has access to the sheet and at what permission level. When you click Share, a sharing window or panel will appear. This is where you can see current collaborators, add new people, and adjust permissions. Inside the sharing panel, look for the field where you can add new collaborators. Here, you can type in email addresses of the people whose access you want to audit or update. As you type, Smartsheet may suggest contacts you've used before. Take your time and make sure the email addresses are correct, because permissions will be tied directly to those accounts. After entering the email addresses, you'll see a drop-down menu next to each person that controls their permission level. By default, this might show something like Editor. Click on the Editor drop-down to open the list of available permission levels. You'll typically see options such as Viewer, Commenter, Editor, or Admin, depending on your plan and setup. This is where you choose how much control each person should have. Now select the appropriate permission level from that list. For example, if someone only needs to see information, choose a more limited role, and if someone needs to make structural changes, you can leave them as an editor or higher.